Hey everyone, what is up? Happy Black Friday, happy day after Thanksgiving. I hope all of you had a great Thanksgiving and had a good day with family, friends, or whatever it is that you chose to do. So I unfortunately wasn't able to finish the edit and get it reviewed by the chief before the holidays. It's kind of like a ghost town around the department, so that's still sitting on the table right now. I'll get that reviewed soon and I'll get it out to you guys. But because I am a little bit behind, I wanted to make sure I made this video today, which is going to announce the giveaway winner of the Galls Med Bag. So without further ado, at random selection, the winner was picked, and it is Jed. Jed is a volunteer firefighter from the comment that he left, and so it looks like this bag's going to actually go to some really good use for that. So Jed, congratulations to you. Brother, here's what I need you to do. Obviously, this giveaway had a few requirements that you had to meet, so what I need you to do is either email me on the email address that I leave in the description below or on Instagram, and what I'll need from you is just a basic screenshot of subscribe to me, subscribe to Galls on Instagram, and obviously I saw the comment that you left because that's how you were selected. So if you could send me those things, we'll get this thing packed up and shipped out to you. Thank you to all who entered. I know a few of you said, hey, what are my chances? Honestly, guys, if you look at it, the number of people who only met the requirements for this giveaway was like 541 people. I think even less after it took out the multiple comments. So sure, even though there's tens of thousands of views on the video, if the people didn't go through and enter the contest, you actually have a pretty decent chance of winning something like this. So there are going to be plenty more of these to come. I promise you that. I'm getting a few things in the works right now. We're going to do some bigger giveaways coming up. We're about ready to hit 35,000 subscribers, so probably my next bigger giveaway is going to be 50. I know it's a little ways away, but we're gaining steam, guys. We're picking it up. You're doing awesome. So tell your friends, get involved in this. We're going to do something good for 50. And I'll tell you what, my personal goal is 100. I want to, not that I will quit YouTube, but I could stop and never have another subscriber after 100. That would be a huge accomplishment for me, a personal goal of mine. So tell your friends, and I'll tell you what, when we hit 100K, I'm going to do a real nice giveaway for that. So we're talking something fun, maybe a PlayStation, an Xbox, something like that. We're going to do that. So, well, the birds like that too. They said that sounds exciting. So, guys, that's it for right now. I wanted to get this out to you short, sweet, and dirty. Thank you to all of you for your continued support, everything that you contribute to this channel, the comments you leave, all the positivity. I love it. I love you guys. I appreciate it. And I'm going to have another patrol video for you here real soon, so bear with me. Until the next one, guys, enjoy your weekend. I hope you had a great holiday again, and we'll talk to you soon.